Hello. So I've just stopped at a service station. Just been chatting to a couple of old boys who have got bikes, had bikes for years. Just noticed my rear tyre. So it's brand new tyre, had it about 400 miles ago, and the rear tyre's wearing inconsistently. So just spoke to BMW. BMW give me some new tyre pressures. Basically it's been on the wrong tyre pressures. BMW set it up to the wrong tyre pressures, so I'm just going to go and put some more pressure in the tyres because it's wearing quite badly in the middle. So yeah, about an hour into the journey, just pulled over to check the bike over, make sure everything's fitted properly, and nothing's coming off. So yeah, I'm just going to go across to the BP garage, just check the tyre, or top up the tyre pressures, probably just grab a quick drink and then be back on the way up the motorway. Alright, I'll check in later. Bye.